Crash course on Canadian education system. Showcase Canada's education system, top 10 universities, and top 10 community colleges. Canada's education system. Canada has a world-renowned education system that is known for its high quality and focus on innovation. The education system is divided into three main levels: elementary and secondary education, post-secondary education, and adult education. Elementary and secondary education. Elementary and secondary education in Canada is mandatory for children aged 6 to 16, and is typically split into two stages: elementary school, grades 1 to 8, and secondary school, grades 9 to 12. The curriculum is set by each province or territory, but generally includes core subjects like math, science, language arts, and social studies. Students are also encouraged to participate in extracurricular activities, such as sports teams, clubs, and volunteer work. Post-secondary education. Post-secondary education in Canada includes universities, community colleges, and vocational schools. Universities offer undergraduate and graduate degrees in a wide range of subjects, while community colleges and vocational schools offer diplomas, certificates, and other vocational training programs. Canada's universities are known for their high quality of education, research, and innovation. Some of the top universities in Canada include: 1. University of Toronto, 2. University of British Columbia, 3. McGill University, 4. University of Waterloo, 5. McMaster University, 6. University of Montreal, 7. University of Alberta, 8. Western University, 9. University of Ottawa, 10. Queen's University. Canada's community colleges offer a more practical, hands-on approach to education and are a popular choice for students looking to gain skills and job training. Some of the top community colleges in Canada include: 1. Seneca College, 2. George Brown College, 3. Humber College, 4. Sheridan College, 5. Centennial College, 6. Conestoga College, 7. Fanshawe College, 8. Mohawk College, 9. Algonquin College, 10. Durham College. Interesting examples and stories. Canada's education system has a lot to offer international visitors and new immigrants. Here are a few interesting examples and stories. Indigenous education. Canada has made a concerted effort in recent years to improve education outcomes for Indigenous students. This includes initiatives like language revitalization programs, cultural immersion programs, and support for Indigenous teachers and schools. For example, the Nunavut Teacher Education Program at Nunavut Arctic College offers a Bachelor of Education degree that focuses on Inuit culture and language. Research and innovation. Canada's universities are known for their world-class research and innovation. For example, the University of Waterloo's Velocity program is a startup incubator that has helped launch hundreds of successful tech startups, including the popular mobile app Kik. The University of British Columbia's Quantum Matter Institute is a leading center for research into quantum materials, which have potential applications in computing and electronics. Accessibility and inclusivity. Canada's education system strives to be accessible and inclusive for all students, regardless of their background or ability. For example, the University of Calgary's Inclusion Works program provides support and resources for students with disabilities, while Centennial College's Progress Campus includes a state-of-the-art accessibility center for students with disabilities. Diversity and multiculturalism. Canada is known for its diversity and multiculturalism, and this is reflected in its education system. For example, the University of Toronto's Equity Studies program offers courses in diversity, social justice, and human rights, while George Brown College's School of Immigrant and Transitional Education offers language and vocational training programs for new immigrants. Overall, Canada's education system is known for its high quality, accessibility, and innovation. Whether you're interested in pursuing a degree at a top-ranked university or gaining a practical job, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link: https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse team at Vancouver, Canada, CA.